right, coupon buddies. I am going to bring you guys a quick Walgreens haul because this week Cottonelle is on sale and it is also in Fetch. So if you go ahead and download Fetch, use my code there, you're going to get $2 for scanning your first receipt. And if we do this right, we should get all of our money back today. You may need 5,000 points if you want to roll points, and you do need to clip a few digital coupons. Be sure to clip the 5 off of $15 purchase. It's in app. It's one of the boosters or perks that you should have on your card, guys. Let's go. Okay, first thing I'm picking up is one of the Cottonelle. They're $5.99 this week, and there's a digital coupon on the app for that. So I decided to pick up that one there. And of course, there's a sign for $5.99. There's a digital coupon. Here is the digital coupon that popped up when I scanned the item with my Walgreens app. So we're going to be getting $1 off, and then we're also going to get back points from Fetch rewards as well. So moving on here, we are going to move down to the Viva paper towel. The multi-service cloth is in Fetch. So there's another digital coupon you want to use. Here's the coupon that pops up when you scan it in your Walgreens app, guys. I lucked up, guys, and I got a Pilly that was on the packaging. So I used that one instead of the $1 off of one. I may use that at a later time. So you can use the digital coupon if you don't have a Pilly, and pick up some of these Cottonelle wipes as well. It's a 24 count and they're $3.49. There's $1 off of one coupon. Here's a photo from the Walgreens app of the Cottonelle wipe coupon. You can use that as well. Okay, so here is my Walgreens quick trip receipt here. I said quick trip. Sorry guys, let me brighten it up a little bit. It's just been so gloomy where I'm at. Like, I don't understand why. Everything went just like I calculated. So I had the Viva $5.99, the Cottonelle, and then the Cottonelle wipes. Okay, the 5 off of 15 came off perfectly, no issues. The Cottonelle Fresh, well, that was for the Viva. I don't know what Walgreens system's been doing, but that was for the Viva, the $1.50, because remember it was a Pilly that I showed you in the store. And the Cottonelle $1 off of one, and then yeah, it should have been $2 off of one coupons, which that's correct. And then the total was $6.97, guys. So that is what you would pay out of pocket. Okay, so if you're new, that's what you would be paying. All right, so if you lucked up and got the Pilly coupon, yes, that's what you'd be paying, maybe 50 cents more. But so I use 5,000 points that I have. That's what the points are for. I'm going to use them. So I used 5,000 points and I only paid $2.52. Be sure to submit your receipt to Fetch, guys, because you're going to get back some points. Fetch is a phone app that you can download. It's free of charge. You don't need to pay for anything. Go ahead and scan the receipt and get your earnings back. And I'm going to show you guys how much I earned today with Fetch on these 3 items. I scanned my receipt in Fetch Rewards on my phone, and I got 7,000 points, which is $7, guys. Check that out. So after the rebate, guys, it made these items free. You cannot beat that. Have a good day.